I would, as a leader, make sure I'm part of the team. You never want to be the leader over here and your team over here because that creates that division or us versus them mentality. So I would do things, for example, go into the teacher's lounge and have eat with them, have lunch with them, talk to them, to let them know I'm part of the team. If we were at some type of activity on the campus, I would sit with them. If we had training, I would sit with them. You never, as a leader, want to separate yourself from your team. You always want to be involved with the team, learning with the team. Research shows that if the leader is there with their team, there's going to be a 92% implementation rate. If the leader's not there, a 40% implementation rate because your team is saying, well, my leader's not here. I don't really need to pay attention to this, so I'm not going to do this thing. So always do something where you're part of the team. Again, one of my things was going into the teacher's lounge from time to time, having lunch with them, having conversations with them. I would always have an open door policy anyways in my office, but that's even closer and better when you're in the lounge eating with them. It's something about breaking bread with your team that really kind of opens them up.